हाय ब्यूटीफुल, कैसे हैं आप? आज आई एम कमिंग एट यू विद एन अर्बैनिक हॉल. मैंने कुछ अर्बैनिक से स्टफ ऑर्डर किया था एंड आई सॉ दैट अ लॉट ऑफ यू लव्ड द हॉल्स. और मुझे इंस्टा पे भी बहुत सारे डीएम्स आए कि प्लीज डू मोर हॉल्स. तो अभी फिलहाल अर्बैनिक के पास में दे हैव ओनली गॉट वुलन लाइक स्टफ बिकॉज ऑफ विंटर. मैं रहती हूँ मुंबई में, यहाँ पे विंटर तो है नहीं. 30 के नीचे कुछ हो तो हमारी विंटर आ जाती है. सो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर 2 थिंग्स बट इफ दे आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द स्टफ मैं और मंगाऊंगी. And I also have a little coupon code जो उन्होंने मुझे भेजा है, but I will be putting that down in the description box for you guys if you want to use it. ये है valid for 45 days. Okay, so ये है अर्बैनिक का पैकेज जो it was waiting for me when I got back from out of town. तो ये है अर्बैनिक का पैकेज और इसके अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें हैं, but they are actually 4. You'll see how. So this is something मुझे इतना ये पहले बारी जब मैंने इसको देखा I really liked it and I was in 2 minds because अर्बैनिक का मैंने एक टॉप मंगाया था, एक the blue like jumpsuit मंगाया था which was like not so great. The fabric was like not really nice, club factory-ish था. तो मैं थोड़ा सा doubtful थी कि like should I go for it, but like this came on sale. तो I said why not because it's a 2-piece और इसका जो अंदर का टॉप है that can be used as a sports bra. So now I'm so pleasantly surprised कि इसका फैब्रिक जो मैं डर रही थी बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं है. It is very nice cotton. It's so comfortable, so soft. See through नहीं है, like seriously like this was a good one. तो ये एक स्कर्ट है. It's got this little tie thing जो इसको आप you will be tying it in front of you like in front like that. This is a skirt. It comes in 2 colors, pink and yellow. और इसके साथ आता है एक a little ब्रालेट ही बोल लीजिए लाइक स्पोर्ट्स टॉप लाइक ए स्मॉल क्रॉप टॉप. तो ये छोटा सा क्रॉप टॉप है. ये मेरे लाइक नो यूज फॉर मी इन माय शोल्डर बोल्डर्स. सो दिस इज समथिंग आई विल बी वेयरिंग एज अ स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा like just as a cover up kind of a thing. So small, it's like of no use basically. So I'm just going to wear this as a cover like kind of like a gym bra और क्या करें. The fabric is nice, it's very comfortable. This is not for a gym bra, but you can just wear it for like, otherwise you can see it's really short, very short, like if you're very skinny or something, if you have a really nice figure, so maybe, but otherwise you can see it's really short, very short. So ये है the skirt. बिल्कुल भी चीप भी उस टाइप का है ही नहीं. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस, वेरी सॉफ्ट कॉटन काइंड ऑफ अ फैब्रिक एंड आई एम रियली डिगिंग दिस. ये जो बो है ये लाइक इट्स लाइक अटैच्ड ओवर हियर एंड यू कैन जस्ट टाई इट एज पर योर बॉडी मेजरमेंट्स जैसे भी आप चाहें, अपर लोअर जहां भी आप टाई करना चाहें. सो इट्स अ बिट एडजस्टेबल इन दैट एंड आई So what I've decided is कि मैं इसको 2 pieces में पहनूंगी. The bottom skirt मैं पहनूंगी with a crop top and you can see it looks really cool. So आप इसके साथ you can wear a belt or without a belt and it's going to look so good with a nice crop top or a frilly top or something. और the bralette जो है वो sports bra बन जाएगी. लेकिन अगर आप you are very slim, you can if you can carry it off, so it would be so good. The set itself is really beautiful. ये मुझे मिला है दोनों का दोनों ये दोनों के दोनों मुझे मिले हैं 990 bucks, 1000 rupees, which is really a steal. So you can just like count it like 400 and 600, a good one. Okay, the next thing is this top. And by the way इनके सारे जो कपड़े हैं they come in a little ziploc bag. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I keep the bags and keep them till they're new. So ये है one of my very favorite hooded like cropped shirts. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज इसमें क्या है लाइक यू आर कवर्ड बट यू लाइक नॉट कम्प्लीटली इन दिस हीट स्टाइफिंग हीट जो है गर्मी हो जाती है यू वोंट लाइक फील दैट. सो ये अंदर एक ऐसा आता है. नाउ दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट बिकॉज मुझे लगा था ये थोड़ा सा इट विल कम लाइक यू कैन मे बी अ लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर तो आप यू कैन वेयर इट लाइक एन इनर. पर ये ऐसा है ही नहीं. इट्स बेसिकली जस्ट यू कैन सी इट्स व्हाट इज इट, इसको क्या बोलेंगे आप. It's like I don't know what can you call it. I don't know what we can call something like that. तो ये क्या करें. It's of no use to me. जो इसका जो picture है which of course I'll be putting. You see picture में it looks like that but look at this. It's for me it's of no use, like you know maybe if you're very skinny, but even if you're very very skinny it's going to work like a bra. ये इसको थोड़ा it should have been a little bit longer, so it could give you a very nice, you know, a nice inner kind of a thing. और इसके साथ आता है ऐसा these little hoodies. I'm a very big fan of these cutouts. ये बहुत ही trendy तो है ही है, they really look cool, मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. And what I loved sorry my throat today, what I really loved about this is these sleeves. You can see the sleeves, इसमें जो ये जो बना हुआ है tie dye, I'm a fan of tie dye, I really like this. तो ये ऐसा है and the fabric is very thick, very thick. Let me tell you, this is good fabric. ये पहले जो था it was for something like I think 2,500 rupees or something like that, yeah. But I didn't want to buy it at that price because you know 2,200 or something मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लगा. But then luckily it went on sale for I think 1,100 because मैंने इन दोनों का combined 2,230 rupees पे किया है. So this, if that's for 1,000, so this is for 1,200, which is a good deal. लेकिन only thing is ये disappointment है. I don't know what you're going to do with this. It's like this is the only thing I'm at a loss. इसका मैं क्या, नहीं ये bralette होगी, नहीं ये skirt होगा, ये क्या है यार, I don't know. So this is the other thing. लेकिन ये जो है ना ये बहुत versatile है. You can wear this with something black, red, yellow, anything, and it looks so cool. Fabric, I'm very happy to say कि Urbanic का जो fabric है, it is not cheap like you know club factory stuff. जो अभी मैं वहाँ से बिल्कुल भी no, before it being banned मैंने इससे सामान मंगाना उनसे बिल्कुल भी बंद कर दिया था because that it was like really cheap. And some of the जो मैंने trousers you know leggings मंगाए थे वहाँ से they were like really okay for like a couple of wears and that's about it. So I'm very happy to say that Urbanic है it's like a replacement for Shein now because Shein of course as you all know has been banned sadly, but Urbanic still needs to step up the game to reach Shein's level. In my opinion, they are lacking in so much. इनके पास bags नहीं हैं, like they don't have a lot of stuff. So I really wish they would step up their game and you know like get some more stuff. And like you know, अगर हम उसको we are treating it like a Shein replacement. So I really wish they would step up the game and really give us more variety. So that was all from me from Urbanic. I hope you guys liked it, and that's it. I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Take care and stay beautiful.